Hello. I'm going to show you in this video how easily you can get and configure the fetch, decode and execute demo, which is located at the Engineering Education Island. Right, this model, the one you are seeing now, shows how the different CPU units exchange and interpret data to execute simple instructions, which happens to be one of the most hard to understand things for students, right? In this model here, the user can interact with the demo by touching its different units and manage in this way the whole process, right? The model provides in this way a visual and step-by-step execution of program instructions that is managed by the user only by touching the units involved in the process, okay? The model also uses Sloodle to communicate with the Moodle course, and more exactly, each touchable unit uses the Sloodle tracker to send different information to Moodle, and in this way it is possible to use this model as a part of a more complex Moodle course and follow from there, from Moodle, the progress made by the students in this demo in Second Life. Alright? But what I want you to see in this video is how you can get your own CPU demo to use in your own Moodle course. So if I go to this part here, I will find an object offering me a copy of the demo. Okay? You can see that there is no CPU demo in my inventory yet, and all I have to do is touch this object, click on yes, and a copy will be automatically sent to my inventory, right? Here it is. So it is that easy to obtain the copy of the demo. With the object already in my inventory, I just need now to go to the place I want to res it and drag the object from my inventory. This model is pretty big, so you will need enough free space before resing it. I will put my own CPU demo in this big empty area here. So what I have to do now is open my inventory again and res the object. Here we go. I'm gonna move it a bit to the ground level, right? Because it's not in the exact location I want it. So I select everything, all right, and I can move it to the exact place I want it to be. All right. Now this little tracker needs to be configured. Okay, as you can see, if we zoom to an unit, the object is not linked to any Moodle site, so you need to configure it like you configure any other Sloodle tool. To do so, you first need to create a tracker activity in Moodle, right? And I have here my Moodle site where I've already installed Sloodle, and I created a course with a Sloodle controller, and I'm going to create now the tracker activity, right? So I select Second Life tracker, I'll call it CPU demo. Okay, and of course the activity is still empty, right? So I can go back now to Second Life and configure the CPU demo to link it with this tracker activity I have here. So just as any other Sloodle tool, just by clicking on the object, I'm asked for a Moodle URL, right, which I can copy from here, okay, and paste in the chat bar in Second Life. Right, I choose now go to page, and the configuration page pops up automatically. I need to choose first my controller, and then my tracker activity inside my course, which is already selected because it's the only one I have. And now, as the last step, I have to click again on the object to download the configuration. Alright, if I open now my tracker activity again, I see that the first unit is ready to go. So now I need to do the same for the other 5 units. Alright, I have already configured 5 units, okay, and I will go with the last one right now. Okay, so I just click on it and follow the instruction one last time. I have to select in this menu my controller, choose my tracker activity in this menu here. Okay, and to finish I will have to download one last time the configuration from Moodle. Here we go. So I have now my own CPU demo linked to my own Moodle course, and I can start using it. As a quick demonstration, you see the tasks are not completed for my avatar, which is here. Okay, so if I start interacting in Second Life with my CPU demo, this interaction will be recorded by Moodle. So I go to the panel where I have to start, and I have to start choosing one of two possible options. And now I can interact with the first unit of this CPU. I have to touch it, and once I touch the object, the execution starts. But some information is also sent to Moodle, right? Where if I go back and refresh the page, I will see the first task set as completed.